So we're here at Mount Sweeney, actually at about 1,400 meters in elevation, where we have a weather station to monitor atmospheric and surface conditions here in the upper part of the Nechako watershed. And our weather station measures temperature, humidity, wind speed, snow depth, of course, which is really important. And we have a precipitation gauge as well, which is really important in terms of understanding how much precipitation we get here. In addition to this weather station, we're also measuring meteorological variables at Huckleberry Mine, where we have another meteorological station as part of our TRARE field campaign.
From the last time that we did it, so it'll amend through this.
As well, we have another weather station actually at the Nadinas Pawnee Channel. This is maybe 30 kilometers east of here. It is more in the rain shadow of the Tahtsa ranges. Gives us a bit of a contrast to the stations here and at the Huckleberry Mine.
I think that's it, eh? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off. There it goes.
We have actually some really top-of-the-line meteorological equipment as part of our TRARE field campaign. Some of the support has come from Rio Tinto and the Natural Sciences and Engineering Research Council, including equipment here at Mount Sweeney, the full meteorological station, including a pluvio precipitation gauge. For some of the other sites, we actually have equipment that was purchased through a Canada Foundation for Innovation grant, and some of this equipment is currently working actually at Huckleberry Mine.
This is the masterpiece of our meteorological equipment. This is the MRR Pro, or the Micro Rain Radar. Basically, it's a vertical pointing radar that shoots a laser beam upwards in the sky, and when this laser beam hits precipitation or hydrometeors, there's a portion of this energy that comes back to the sensor, and it can measures how much precipitation falls. So we can measure precipitation intensity with that, as well as falling speed of the hydrometeors falling.